So hello everyone, my name is Pritam Paul and welcome to another video of my channel. If you're new to the channel, do hit the subscribe button for more upcoming informative videos about technology, about companies, about higher studies, about programming, software development, and many more. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about a very crucial and very important property of LinkedIn, that how you should use it to find some people from your college, from your companies. For example, you are trying to apply to a company and you need a referral, so how to find people who can give you referral, and who will give you, obviously from your school, from your alumni network. Obviously others also will give, but obviously you will have the priority to choose your own alumni. Yeah, isn't it? So how to find those peoples? For example, from your or for example, you are preparing for your higher studies in USA, in Germany, or in Canada, and you are searching for people. So it would be better not to search for people who are basically, for example, if I talk about masters, then obviously you will find some people who are there in Canada or in US or in Germany from your own college. Then obviously they might be helping you. The probability will be much better than the other unknowns, isn't it? So in those cases, how to search for seniors or alumni or other people? So I'm going to discuss about all those things. I'm going to show you how to search, how to filter out things. So let's go to LinkedIn and check. Okay, so here you can see that this is my company. I work in Infosys. Yeah, so if I want to search from this is the home page, obviously now. So if I want to search how many people are here working from my college or something like that, so what are their options, like my company, about, products. So here there is a option like people, so you have to go to people, and then you can see that there are many employees. So how would you search? Like, where do they live, where they have studied. So here I can give my own, like National Institute of Technology, Agartala. Okay, so I can filter out this one, and then you can see yeah, so you can see that from my place there are many people who are working in this company. It's just kind of that. Now there are many more filters, like what they do, what they have studied. Like for example, if I want to search people from computer science department, then who actually studied in computer science department in my college and working in Infosys. So you can see, isn't it? For example, so let's pick some. Okay, so another one, for example, not computer science, let's talk about other department, like what they have studied. Yeah, what they have studied, like for example, electrical, that kind of departments I'm going to choose. So here you can see some people, like, yes, Rahul, he is my batchmate actually. So there are many more people actually, you can see. Yeah, so in this way, also my name as well, it is here. Okay, so in this way you can search people on LinkedIn. Okay, now for example, there are many more options, like in your company, if you want to search for people who are good at Python or Java. So if you search like that, like Python, and if you press enter, so here you can see that there are few people who are having the taglines Python. Okay, so in this, for example, this guy, if I take this guy, then you can see his profile. Okay, so Python, AWS, DevOps, okay, CLF 01. So that's why the taglines are very much important. When you will be setting your own profile, you need to remember this, that this kind of keywords could be used for your better search results. Okay, anyone can find you, and your profile would be in the search criteria. Okay, obviously the profile reach would be increased. So in this way you can set the keywords. Okay, so this guy is now in Infosys. Okay, so in this way, isn't it? Now if I talk about my college, the NIT Agartala, so there is also an alumni option. Okay, so here in this alumni option you will find many options, like where do they live. Okay, for example, if I here put for example USA. Okay, so United States. Okay, I have to write like that, United States. Okay, so from my college, who the people are staying in USA right now? So there are many people. Okay, you can see there are many people. Okay, so in this way, like Devayan Dotto, so there are many people. Yeah, yeah. So there are many people, you can see. In this way you can filter out. Now for example, if I want to like search, he is in USA, he or she is in USA, and he works at Amazon. So here if I press the Amazon option, then obviously just loading. Yeah, so you can see like who is working in Amazon right now. Like he's in SD in Amazon, like Amazon. So Amazon keyword would be picked up, and in this way the things will be filtered out. Okay, now for example, if I talk about other things like I don't know why LinkedIn is taking so much time to reload today. It's really much more faster. For example, what they do, what they have studied, okay, and also many more, like what they are skilled at, okay, how they are connected. Like if you want to search someone who is not connected with you, okay, also you can search like that, second or third plus, okay. So in this way you can search, okay. For example, if I talk about something like, for example, okay, what do they leave, if I like Germany, okay. So in Germany, there would be many people. So you can see here as well. There are many more people. Okay, so she is my junior, Sunitra. Saroj, he is my junior. He is from my place actually. Udan Bhaiya. There are many more people. There are many people are there. So you can search in this way. Like okay, now let's not talk about countries. Only if you want to search for like for example Swiggy. Swiggy. Okay, so okay, where do they work? There would be an option add, okay, and here you can like Swiggy. So if you press it, okay, so Swiggy में कौन कौन काम करता है? So there are four alumni, okay. So there are four alumni. Okay, so he is my friend Dipanjan. So he recently actually switched to Swiggy. So that's why the search result is showing that he is here. Okay, and both of them actually, Samit Tiwari and both of them are in my connection. So in this way, you can find people from your college. So definitely your college page will also be there in LinkedIn. You can go there. You can search for alumni. In the same way, you can search for people who are working in different MNCs, different in countries, different industries, or different skill that, okay. So you can search for people, you can ask for help, and many more. You can connect with them, you can talk to them on LinkedIn. So that's how you should use LinkedIn to find people. This is just a small video I am making actually. Many of my juniors were saying like that how to search people on LinkedIn, and that's why I thought that many people would have a doubt like that, and that's why I thought I should make a video on it. Okay, so if you really like the video, guys, please do hit the subscribe button, and do support my channel as well, and share this video with your friends who really don't know how to search people on LinkedIn. And for more contents, definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that every video could be reached you through notifications. This much for today. See you on the next video.